A happy Sanjo feast to every one of you. Today we will see how the Sanjo festival was celebrated in Old Goa. I consider that this festival must have been introduced first in Old Goa, the capital of the Portuguese Empire in the east, and from there it spread to all other parts of Goa. So, how this festival was celebrated? On the feast of San Joao, in the esplanade of the hospital of San Lazarus, that is towards Old Goa, Karampally Korli border, that area, the Portuguese granders and noblemen had their favorite equestrian games, that is the games with the horses, with canes and oranges, on the festivals of Saint John as well as that of Saint James. Pietro de Laval, the Italian traveler who visited Goa in the year 1623, gives the following description. On the feast of Saint John, as is usual in Goa every year, the viceroy and many other Portuguese gentlemen went out in disguise but without mask in groups of twos or threes, and having heard mass in Saint John's church, passed through Saint Paul's Street. This Saint John church must be the church of Saint John the Baptist in Karamboli, which was established in the year 1541. And they passed through the Saint Paul Street. Saint Paul Street is where the College of Saint Paul is located. The ruins are visible, which is also called the race course. That was also known as the race course. And it is the best place of Goa. Several groups of native Christians passed through the streets with banners, tambourines, and arms, dancing and performing mock fight with bare swords. These were pedestrians. Then came the horsemen with Moorish javelins and ran two races, that is from St. Paul's Church towards the town and back again, always in groups of twos or threes, according to their costumes and previous arrangement. And once again, they came downwards from St. Paul's, all going together. This over, they proceeded to do the same, and in the same order in the square of the Viceroy's palace, which was located close to the Arch of the Viceroys, towards the ferry in Old Goa, which brought the festivity to a close. So Pietro de Laval says that he went to see this spectacle in St. Paul's Street from the house of one who is called the King of the Maldives. So dear friends, what I would say is that this description of Pietro de Laval historical account gives us clearly that this festival was greatly solemnized and celebrated in Old Goa. And another one point is that there was also a chapel dedicated to Saint John the Baptist in Old Goa. It was located behind the Dominican convent, and there was a fountain and there was a provision to bring the waters from that fountain. It was conveyed by pipes and towards the chapel, and this chapel was a delicate structure dedicated to Saint John the Baptist, and inside was adorned with shells. So it was ruined long back in the 19th century itself. Nothing was there, and the image of the saint also went missing. So dear friends, this gives a picture that how the solemnization and festivalization of this feast of Saint John the Baptist started in Old Goa, and from there it must have spread to all over other places with unique traditions. May God bless you all. Enjoy this day. At the same time, we will also pray for that extinct chapel of San Joao Baptista of Old Goa, their founders, the devotees, and all their souls. For them we will now say, eternal rest grant unto their souls, O Lord, and let perpetual light shine upon them. May their souls rest in peace. Amen. May God bless you all. Amen.